So good evening, everyone. Hope you have been enjoying the day so far. This is Jiten, and I'm going to talk about the GraphQL and like how it is transforming API development and how we can use it in Postgres. So we have like Postgres GraphQL, which is a native Postgres extension. And being it is a native Postgres extension, it is written in the combination of two languages, C and SQL. You get a single endpoint for all the API requests you get. Though it is developed by, the GraphQL is developed by the Facebook, which is called Meta, but it's been used by the many enterprise customers. Okay, so why do we need GraphQL? So GraphQL is an alternate to the REST API. So in the example you see on the REST, you have to develop the multiple endpoints. So whenever you start with the data, so first you get the details from the user data, you create the first endpoint. And after that, if you need the data for the data from the user, which about the post, so you create another endpoints, so which underlying does the join, and so on, you goes on. But with GraphQL, you just have a single endpoint, which you see on the right. Okay, what are the key benefits of the GraphQL is that first, queries are used to fetch the data. So they fetch the data what you exactly need. So you don't need to do like overfetching and underfetching, and what is that's why like it optimize your result of the data. And like queries are to fetch the data. What about when you want to write the data? So we use the mutation. Mutation helps you to insert, update, and delete the data. So if you want to get the data, product information, inventory, etc., then you can just write a single query. GraphQL support the strong type. So which is like written on the GraphQL schema definition language. So it is self-documentation. What this means is the developer gets the data type, schema, and queries mutation in just a single GraphQL endpoint. So they don't have to look anything else. So it sends the data updates to all the subscribers in real time. So this is an example. So you have like on the left-hand side, you have three query tables. Similar to when you start with the querying the data, you start with the query, and you can get the multiple things. So like in the example I have shown, so you are getting the first two blocks, and apart from that, you are getting the total count of the blocks you have, and the data you are getting the ID, email, and the created date. So that's how it's simple. Thank you very much.